Hi, I'm Allison from Intelligent Loss Prevention, and I'd like to introduce you to our zero theft dispensing system, Vensafe. Vensafe eliminates loss of small high theft merchandise such as razors, skincare, fragrances, medication, cigarettes, ink cartridges, video games, DVDs, small electronics, and much more. We often refer to Vensafe as our post-POS dispensing system because it sits between the checkout and the store exit. Merchandise secured within Vensafe cannot be retrieved until a shopper completes his transaction at the POS and scans a valid product receipt at the Vensafe dispenser. And now I'd like to walk you through what it would be like to shop using Vensafe in your store. The first step is to select your product. Now your high theft merchandise has been secured in the Vensafe dispenser, and at the shelf level, product cards replace physical merchandise. Now these product cards are bright, highly visible, and easy for customers to see. In addition to the traditional location, these are easy to spread throughout other areas of the store, such as the checkout and other promotional areas. By doing this, you can actually increase product exposure without adding additional inventory or taking up much real estate. In addition to product cards, we offer another way for customers to shop by using our touchscreen kiosk. This kiosk displays an unlimited number of products and is organized by brand or category. The kiosk would typically be located by the checkout lane and is ideal for impulse purchases and convenient for customers who may have forgotten an item or who would normally have to wait for an associate to retrieve the item for them, like cigarettes. It's also a welcome addition for customers who may appreciate discretion when shopping for particular product categories. Now I'll show you how it works. I'll go ahead and make my selection by product category, then select my brand name, and then the specific product type I want. The touchscreen immediately prints a paper ticket, and I proceed to the checkout lane. This brings us to step 2, paying for the merchandise. I would bring my product card or paper ticket to the cashier along with all of my other shopping. The cashier would go ahead and scan my product card and add that item to my transaction. Once I complete my transaction, the cashier would hand me either my activated product card or a Vensafe barcode would be added to the bottom of my receipt. This brings us to our final step, retrieving the merchandise. After I've left the checkout, I'd simply proceed to the Vensafe dispenser and scan my activated product card. My merchandise is immediately dispensed into the bin below, and I'm on my way out the store. Now, if a shopper were to try to rescan a product card that had already been dispensed, the Vensafe would immediately recognize this and prohibit any additional dispensing. So with Vensafe, it's that easy. Simply select, pay, retrieve, and the shopper's on their way. Now let's take a look inside the Vensafe dispenser. Each dispenser contains 80 product facings with a maximum capacity of 1,600 product units. Now this would be if you were utilizing each facing at its smallest dimension, which is roughly the size of a pack of cigarettes. However, as you can see, Vensafe can be easily adjusted to accommodate a wide variety of product sizes. To adjust the size of a product module, simply pull out the tray and use the tool to adjust the width of the rail. You do this both at the front and the back of the rail. Now, the maximum product width you can have is by taking 2 dispensers, removing the middle rails, and pairing them. And the largest product you would use with this would probably be a carton of cigarettes. The dispenser also includes a touchscreen, which displays stock levels, indicating which ejectors are low and need refilling. The Vensafe database can also be managed via the touchscreen or remotely, and that would be how you would manage and register products in the system. One thing I like to point out is that Vensafe registers products by product depth. So once I note the product depth of this ink cartridge in the system, I can assign this to any facing and it will automatically know how many of these products are in that particular facing. This automation increases your efficiencies on many levels. In addition, the Vensafe has some storage located below the facings, including a drawer and additional storage at the bottom of the unit. And that's a look inside the Vensafe dispenser. Unlike pay-at-point vending machines, Vensafe has the advantage of being completely integrated with the store's POS system, requiring shoppers to only complete one transaction at the point of sale. Vensafe also maintains face-to-face transactions that are required for sale of certain items such as cigarettes and medications. Currently, there are over 5,000 Vensafe dispensers in use throughout Europe. Thanks to Vensafe, these stores have significantly reduced or even eliminated loss due to shoplifting, employee theft, and organized retail crime. Not only have these stores' profitability increased, the stores have also become safer for employees and customers. And that's why we're so excited to bring Vensafe to the North American market. We invite you to put Vensafe to the test in your store.